Now what I'm going to show you is how we auto route through the new operating system, which is really, really easy to use. Once you set up your information, which we talked about when we in our setup video and our initial setup, is we enter the length of the boat, we enter the width of the boat, what the boat draws or how much water the boat runs in, and the height if you have a T-top like we have on this particular boat. You load all that information in there, utilizes that data to show you the safest route on our CMAP Reveal X card here. So now our boat is located over here, right? And we know if we just drew a straight line from point A to point B, it wouldn't be advantageous to us. We'd probably have some challenges. So we're going to come up into here. And the first thing it's going to do is say, would you like to auto route here? It's going to go through and it's going to automatically calculate our route within seconds. That's just goes to show how fast the NSS4 is. It calculated that route in less than a second. So now we can start navigating that route. It knows the safest route all the way through the channels up until we get up into here. There's a boat ramp up in this location, so that's basically where we've navigated to. So we'd run that. Once we got done with that route, that green line would go away, the route would be completed. If we want to stop that route midstream, we can basically touch on the route and we can hit stop navigation, or we can hit reset our cross-track error for if we're off course a little bit, or if we need to edit it or we want to add in another stop along the way here, we can do that as well. For now, we're just going to hit stop navigation and it takes it out.